Hello everyone, my name is Roy. Welcome to my channel RoysArtyCrafty. So in this video we'll be using a Lamy Joy and we'll be using 1.9 mm nib size and we'll be trying some Italic script. So let's get started. It's a fountain pen and the brand is Lamy. 1.9 mm nib size has been used. So I have used on a 80 GSM normal paper and 2 lines paper has been used. Ink is from Lamy and the name is Lamy Crystal Ink and the model number is T53470 Amazonite. So I'll be trying some words starting from A to Z as initial letters. So let's see. So the writing style will be Italic and will be tried without any guidelines. The height of the small letters will be written without any guidelines. So let's say in this example. If you like this video, please share and subscribe the channel, and thank you very much for watching.